Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this cup trophy in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our cup trophy model in Maya. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.